In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Samsung. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar, then type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app from Flutter Developer, DevCheck Device and System Info, and when it's ready, click on Open. Now, thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your Samsung's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!